slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages of vacant. Modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough.
Yo, welcome everyone. So today is day 2 of building my first SaaS startup. Yesterday we were planning about the startup. So today let's continue the planning. So this was the planning in brief. We're going to make a multi-platform upload automation app, which will also have a feature of downloading the videos as well as allowing someone else to upload it from their side. So previously this was the uploading model. We will have owner, of course the main person, and we have manager. The manager can upload the video and also accept the editor request. So what I'm thinking is to change this name from manager to sub uploader or something like that. Sub uploader. Because it can be anything, right? There will be some people who wants sub uploader because it is more convenient and it will be cheaper because the sub uploader doesn't need cloud storage. Whereas the editor will send a request and the request will be in cloud, right? So for cloud, we need extra features or extra money for cloud storage. So for now, we are completely omitting the editor part. We have owner and sub uploader. So both are almost same. The other thing is owner can appoint sub uploaders and also connect accounts. Sub uploader, of course, cannot connect accounts of the owner. He can upload his own accounts because in his own IDs he will be owner, but the appointment will be decided by the owner. So these are permissions in normal plan. Okay, yeah. We were making two plans, but let's cancel the second plan, the editor plan. Now we will only have a owner and sub uploader. And I'm thinking of building a BullMQ workers for all the tools. And the complete project will be in Next.js. And I will be using Prisma ORM, and for database, I will use Postgres. Yeah, this is keep in mind, okay. So let me first recall what are the things that needed for now. Yo, Thorfinn, how are you, bro? Today's 9, right? Yeah. You have still 6 days for your exam. After exam, please upload your code in GitHub. Your code is really interesting. I want to know your code and the logic that you have applied. And I will rebuild your project. I want to rebuild your project in my stream. By the way, this is a SaaS application that I am trying to make. This will be a YouTube or you can say multiple platform uploader. So suppose you have a YouTube long video or maybe YouTube Shorts. So you may upload the same shorts in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, maybe TikTok in some other country. So what this app does is you can connect all those accounts inside the same app. So if you upload, I mean, you can upload the same video in multiple platforms all at once. You don't need to go to all the applications. This is like the main feature of the application, but there are other features too. Like if you connect the app, you will also get a downloader option. Suppose a person have uploaded a reel in Instagram and he wants to upload the same reel in YouTube. So he can download the reel from our website. He can connect the account, he can download the reel in highest quality, and he can re-upload it in YouTube. So this feature is also there, or re-uploading and downloading. And there is another feature. Suppose a person is really busy and he has appointed a editor. So we are giving a feature that he can give access to the editor. That editor can upload on his behalf to his channel. So if somebody is busy and he have a trustworthy editor or manager or something like that, so that person can manage his YouTube and Instagram and every social media uploads without even accessing his real ID. He can give access from here. And this is only post access, not any kind of account edit access. So the person will be limited to posting only. So this is a tech stack I'm using. I'll be using Next.js for both front and back end with TypeScript, of course, and SAAS CN for UI, of course, and Prisma ORM, Postgres database. We will be using Zod for validation because once the front end is sending data to the back end, we cannot directly trust the data, right? So we can validate the data using Zod. And for caching we are using Redis with rate limiter. And we are using BullMQ for QA workers. What that means is like all the tools, I will be making a separate workers section for the tools. So the tool function will be separate from the website itself. The website will be separate and all the tools will come under BullMQ. Separate tool functionality. Authentication, these are simple thing. Razorpay, calendar, yeah, full calendar. This is again optional. AI model is also optional. Yeah, this is future, of course. I will not be using it. So let's cross it. Wait a minute. This is future. I'm crossing it because I will be using it in future. Also, the cloud model is future. In future, the upload section. Right now there are only two sections, owner and sub uploader. I'll also add a like editor or something like that, so that the editor can upload a dummy, you can say a request, upload request, and the user can see the request, see the video and everything, and then he can accept the request so that the video gets uploaded. So right now we have direct upload access. In future I have plans of making a, what do you say, a review system. Like it's like GitHub. In GitHub, if somebody raises a pull request, the admin can see the pull request, right? So in here, if somebody makes a video post request, the owner can see the request in his phone or maybe laptop. He don't need to download the video or anything, and he can directly accept it if he likes the video. In this way, a lot of time gets saved for the owner if he is really busy or traveling. So storage, let's skip the storage part for now. Media, okay. Monitoring, Sentry. Email, no. Let's use recent maybe, or recent. We will decide between them later. WebSocket, we are using Ably WebSocket for real-time what do you say, status. And logging, we are using Pino. So this is the roughly structure of our project. So for today, I'm deciding some key factors. Like for example, I've changed this for today. Yesterday it was different. There were 3 roles. I've minimized it to 2 roles for now. And these are all the YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram APIs. There are some problems like app review requirement. I don't know what is app review requirement. I need to figure it out. Thorfinn is gone already. I have one doubt. Let me ask. Front, yeah, and backend will be Next.js and the business logic should not live only in workers. The better separation is front end, back end, validation, permission, business logics, workers. What lives in Next.js front end, okay? Okay. Request services, upload services, Instagram services, okay. Worker, okay. Request worker, later get a job. Yeah. Upload video, okay. Okay. Inside SRC, yeah, app, services, handles. Uh, who can do something? Of course, what should happen? What data should be saved? Okay. Workers handle, do the slow heavy work, okay. So the actual work will be done by the workers of BullMQ. Local terminal 1, terminal 2. What? npm run dev, okay. Okay, Postgres, Redis, okay. Option 1. Railway, EGS deploy. Oh, so all the workers will run separately. Okay, so this is like Redis part, okay. Okay. Workers need a process that stays running. Railway render. Okay. So in order to run the BullMQ workers, I need to pay VPS or render any kind of VPS system, I mean. Okay. Novo itself is open source, but you will need email provider. Okay. So let's change Novo to recent. We're changing the plan. Yeah, we are keeping recent because Novo will also require email provider like recent or AWS. Okay. Must stay running. Many free hosting platform put applications to sleep, which break scheduled jobs. Free option, run workers on your PC, of course. Running in PC is free. Whoever is watching, please like the stream. Oh, you are chatting, Thorpin. My bad. Pretty complicated stuff. Dealing with external API sucks, yeah. All the workers run separately. You have to deploy it separately, yeah. Will I get a good free tier VPS system? Fly.io sometimes offer enough free resource for small workload. I think so. I need to plan with maybe one or two of my friends to support me. If I even want to launch the what do you say uh, testing version for creator flow, if you're using a local machine enough when launching Vercel plus cheap VPS, of course, I need a cheap VPS. Is there no free VPS service? You don't actually need multiple workers. Why? Why the YouTube chat is lagging so much? Another important point, you don't actually need multiple work servers to your VPS workers. No, I will not make a simple single. Nah, I will make separate workers. But I would do local. Yeah. So for now, I need to run everything in locally. Let's see how to deploy them. Things are already asking me money. By the way, Thorfinn, what will you suggest me? Should I go with this for my initial stage? Or should I make a normal application without any workers, which will be, I think, more complicated to handle, but maybe cheaper in price because Oracle provide free VPS, but getting it sucks. I tried getting it, but I failed every time. Okay, Oracle, I will try. Okay, is a paid VPS extremely expensive, like $5 to $6? $6 means what? 600 rupees, something like that. So for 1 month maybe. So 600 rupees for 1 month. It's okay. We can manage. So by the way, along with this, I'm also planning to make AI SaaS because it's in trend now. So for that, I need multiple. I want to make multiple AI assisted autonomous workers. For example, your what do you say, database shifting, or what do you say, database mutations? I mean, changing database of the data. I forgot, what do you call your project? So I also need that idea. Like, can we sell that idea? I think we can. Oh, okay. Let's move out to practice. Yeah. Creator flow. We are naming it creator flow. Let's open it in VS Code. Wait a second. AI model and storage. Let's remove this for now. Monitoring recent. Okay. Ably. AI Power Analytics. I thought it was a simple project. Uh, I have some YouTubers. I know some small YouTubers who can use this application and can give me feedback. Okay. Okay, npm create next app latest. Okay, selects yes, ESLint, Tailwind, yes, SRC, yes, app router, turbo pack, import L. Okay, everything yes. So you can directly write yes, Y. Install core dependencies. Okay, install shared cn npx. Is my chat refreshing? Okay. I don't know, from few days my chat is not refreshing. I need to manually close the chat and open it again. Again. Network issue. There is some network issue here. Let's close this. Okay. Wait a minute. I think the issue is gone. So the issue was, I mean, my plug was a little loose, so my laptop was not charging. And if my laptop is not under charge, it lags. Even it doesn't provide full speed internet. So let's start with create app latest. What? Yeah, we need to install the Prisma client, install Zord. What? What the hell? Close it. It's not closing. My bad, my bad. Okay, I have deleted everything. Okay, let's open it in VS Code now. Okay, open new terminal. Clear. Okay, let's see. What? Could not create call creative because npm naming restrictions. Capital letter. Okay, so we cannot contain capital letter. That's a weird thing, to be honest. I have a solution. Let's make an app here, or we can directly name it app. Let me see the branching. Okay, there is another app. Root is create a flow. Should I add a documentation and readmes? What? What the hell? My bad. Keep it. Let's keep it creative flow. Let's go above. We need to change the name. So let's rename the folder. There's no rename option. So we need to rename from here. Rename. Create a flow. Okay. Now we can open it in VS Code. Open the terminal. Close this. Yes. Okay. Readme is here. Where's the SRC, by the way? Did I miss something? App router, yes. SRC directory, no. Perfectly fine. Recommended many product Next.js app now. Okay. Option to recreate to SRC. No, I will not. Let's stay as it is. Okay. Before that, let's install the dependencies. Let's install all the dependencies first. I have lost all the dependencies. I have to search it again. Yeah, I got it. So npm install. Now let's paste all the dependencies from here. Zord. BullMQ. Is this command even correct? Let me check the command first. If it works, then we will continue. What the hell is Pino? I don't even know. I will use it, of course, for monitoring or something like that. For testing, maybe. For logging, I think. Pino is for logging the activities. Okay, it's taking a lot of time. Is my network slow? No. Okay, it is installed. Let me check the package.json. Prisma, BullMQ, and Zord. Yeah, so this works. npmi Pino. But Pino pretty. React hook from hook. Okay, hook resolvers. I missed the R. Sonar. And datefns. Lucid React. And 10 stack. Okay. Next auth. npx. Okay, for SAAS we need npx. By the way, I have only used Material UI and Chakra UI. I have personally never used SATCN, but looking at this, I think it will be more convenient to use SATCN. I feel like that. Okay. Step 5, install SATCN. Okay. First install this. One line. Okay. It is not showing progress. Is it the new update? So it's already installed. These packages are so small. SATCN. Okay. Yes. Depreciated, seriously. I think we need SATC and Redix. Redix provide accessible and battle tested UI primitives. Seriously, battle tested. Lucide. Which preset would you like to use? New York. There's no New York. Is there? Best preset for if you are seeing the newer Chelsea and CLI, choose modern. Is there a modern option? No modern option. Seriously? Sad CN version. I don't even know the version. Nova, Vega, Maria, Lyra, Mira, Luma. What the hell is this? Luma, Sarah. And most professional choice for analytics. As well, admin panels, a B2B SaaS product. Okay. Nova. Okay. We are always choosing the first one. Milestone. Login session. Okay. YouTube connection. Okay. Schedule post. Okay. Okay. So sad CN is done. Add button. What it will do? File might be identical. Use override. Uh, no. Yeah, I got a button component. Card component. A form component. Input component. What the hell happened? Yeah. We need a dialog. Drop down menu. We need avatar. I don't know. I feel like SAT-CN will look really good. Let's see. Badge. Okay. Setup Prisma. Okay. Okay. So we need to make a Prisma now. Why there is a Cloud MD and Agents MD? Never mind. NPX Prisma in it. Okay. 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 So it automatically created a Prisma with a dummy schema, maybe. So yeah, .env. There's no env, but yeah, we will of course set env. Start Postgres. Seriously, Docker. What? Definitely, I will not use Docker for creating a simple Postgres. In Prisma, let's make a .env database URL. Damn. Of course, there's no password. So let's open our own Postgres first. What what is this? pgadmin, yeah, sorry. pgadmin. Only Thorfinn came today. Start Redis. Of course, I need a Docker command for running all these things. Let's try. Let's try it. Why not? Lol. I forgot. Do we need to install Redis? Uh, Windows. Okay, Prisma.ts in library of course. For now, let's pause this. Except that let the theme be dark and moody. Except that Professional feel, okay. Okay, okay. I got it now. So let's install Redis. Command prompt maybe. Why the chat is not opening in my phone? I don't know. Uh, let's reduce the quality of my video so that chat opens. I think I have a network issue. Yeah, default post 6379. Okay. So previously I was using, what do you say, Dockerized Redis and Dockerized Postgres, but that's not ideal, I think. So now, because we have the actual Redis and Postgres in our PC, by the way, Docker is really good. It can make virtual environments for running Redis and Postgres without even downloading the main thing. Okay, so let's check the Redis server version now. Let's install. Let's rerun it. Command prompt, right? Yeah. So we got the Redis server. Let's start with the schema. Dataset practice, social media, backend, env, notepad. So this is the URL. What? Create a flow. Okay. I can directly copy it here. Control Z. Again Control Z. Wait a minute. I have idea. Control V. Yeah. Okay. Create a flow, and let's create that database inside pgadmin. Yeah. Let's open servers and let's make a database. Create a flow. Okay. Okay. Prisma model. Okay. Aim for a user sign in. Okay. Okay. See connected account. Postgres and Redis and BullMQ and lib, and for now we only need for right now we only need 2 features, or maybe 3 features. 2 features. Okay, let's keep 2 features. The 2 features should be sign in, sign out. Okay, and YouTube authentication. Shorts and long will be in shorts and long will be in separate. Short and long will be in separate section. Since you're ignoring AI analytics, Facebook, Instagram request roles, of course, I believe Novo, etc. For now, build only authentication, connect YouTube, post viewer, video uploader, video scheduler, yeah, uploader plus scheduler, and separate video and shorts in both viewer and uploader planner. Okay, upload planner, yeah, video viewer, post viewer, and upload planner. Yeah, everything is running. Checking Redis. Okay, what the hell is checking Redis, by the way? Pong. This is the local Redis that we are using. .env of what? Maybe Prisma. Most logical thing would be Prisma. BullMQ. Okay, I have installed it. So inside library we have Redis TS, Q TS, and Prisma TS. Let me confirm. We have nothing. Let's make it. What? Okay. So inside lib, Redis.ts and Qs.ts and Prisma.ts. Okay. And Redis.ts, yeah. We will have this inside the Redis. By the way, public env. Okay. What? We have a database already. Okay. env redis url. Okay. I thought the env will be in Prisma, but I was wrong. Lib queues. This is the queues. For queues, we are using BullMQ and Redis. Connection Redis. Why it's not showing? Right. Uploader. Okay. This is for uploading. But why it's showing error? Worker. Yeah, we are setting up workers now. So uh, okay, we need to make it ourselves. We are making workers here. The first worker will be upload worker.ts. So this will be the upload worker. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the model. This is a user model. Social account. This looks bad. Everything in everything stuck together. So yeah, npm run worker. Okay, npm install dtxt. Okay, what is dtxt by the way? Yeah, yes, yes. Okay, for we are only going to use Google login for now. Okay, npx db push. Okay, why direct upload worker. Mean through architecture. Through yeah. So from the starting, we are making a proper architecture. So YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, analytics. Okay, okay, okay. Post. Okay. Prisma is really easy. It's like almost like fast API. Not fast API. What do you say? SQL alchemy. Even if only a publish processor TS is implemented today. Okay. Okay. Let's delete it. Let's make worker TS and let's expand the structure to processors as well as we can, no, not here. Inside workers, we can make queues. So yeah. So let's design the processors. Publish processor, analytics, AI. What the hell is AI? I think it's my mistake to even name AI. Publish. So the posting, yeah, publish will do the posting work. And inside queue, publish. Let's make other things too, like analytics. Analytics processor, publish processor, analytics processor, and notification. Yeah, we can make a notification processor. Notification processor.ts. Okay. And in queues, we can add every queue of all those processors, right? Queue. Let's add a publish queue. Then let's add analytics queue. Notification queue. Even if only a was implement today. So this will run all the. Okay. Services. Yeah, well, let's create services. And in services, social services. Yeah. Also, let's make another social services. Publishing. Right now, I am running, making a single worker for every work. In future, I will be making multiple. I will be separating all the workers. Where is Thorfinn though? Thorfinn is no more with us. Bro, should I make a single worker for all the... Okay. So yeah, we are making all the services. Uh, so social services. I think this will contain all the APIs. Yeah, yeah. This will contain all the APIs. So let's connect it. YouTube, YouTube services, Instagram service.ts. What the hell is this showing? What? Instagram uh, service.ts. Why it's showing A? Is there something Instagram.service is something different? Facebook. Why the hell is Facebook and Instagram services showing a different icon? Is it something completely different? So yeah, these are social services, and we will have publishing services and analytics and request. We will skip the AI part for now. Whoever is watching, please like the stream and come to the live chat. Analytics and request. Yeah. I don't know why, but I feel like the Next.js structure is more dirtier and harder to understand due to all the unnecessary files. It's less cleaner because everything is under one hood, every files and folders. So yeah, I made this. Okay. So this is structure now. We have components, yeah, services, social, publishing, analytics, okay. Repositories. We don't have repositories. Somebody was online. So yeah, we are making repositories here. I want to hide few icons. Uh, do anybody from chat know how to hide icons? Because there are too many icons here. I want to hide them. Okay, services, repositories. Seriously, repositories, no, validators, and types. Of course, types is required because this is in TypeScript. Yeah, Prisma, workers, docs. No, not like this. Let's delete the docs. Yeah, let's make a docs folder. Docs and assets. I'm facing some network issue. Wait a minute. And let's move it. Okay, live. I'm making a single worker for all the posts. Okay, so for now, yeah, we are making a single worker. Thorfinn is typing something while leaving. Yeah, Facebook Analytics. Yeah, I want to design the schemas and everything. It's cheaper and easier. Split to separate workers only when scale and perform become a problem. Yeah, yeah, I'm thinking the same thing. Because why to increase the complexity without any reason? Uh, by the way, I think Thorfinn knows a lot of things. Thorfinn is an interesting guy. Whoever is watching, please like the stream and please be patient because my chat is not appearing. I may be a little late to reply. The YouTube app is really bad, man. I think the YouTube needs to optimize itself. Okay. Yeah. Let's start with the basic schema, I think. Wait a second. Schema, only one file for schema, seriously. Why you listed only one page of schema? Initially because simpler by Prisma, but not because it's best for long-term structure. I need a long-term structure, of course. Model inus, okay, enums. Personally, what I've observed is Prisma is almost like equally easy as SQL Alchemy or Pydantic. What is the ORM, by the way? Yeah, Prisma is almost equally easy, or you can say even easier because there is no indentation problem. So you can say Prisma is basically easier. Okay. Let's keep the configuration here. Prisma, is there some Prisma extension because Prisma is not recognized? Yeah, there are extension. What is Prisma Insider, by the way? Okay, so let's design the complete structure of the Prisma. I think I don't need a .env in Prisma. Yeah, I don't need it because it's in the root folder. How to react other things like no like thumbs up. Yeah. Now inside VS Code, what's the problem? But Control C, Control V. The issue is still there. What's the issue, by the way? Uh, VS Code. Yeah. Models. Inside models, so you will have a user model, social account, post, publication, analytics, role, analytics role, upload request. Upload request, yeah, we don't need upload request for now. Subscription and notification, yeah. Subscription and notification. For notification and any kind of email sending or everything, I will use resend because resend is easier, and it also have a email provider. If I use Novu or something else, there is no email provider. Enums, okay. And enums will be have platform, and role and post status and publication status. Yeah, publication status. Mm, rename it dot Prisma, okay. And inside Prisma, we might have migrations, and also seed. Okay. Okay. Schema.prisma, we are only keeping the, let's say, we are only keeping the URL, okay, nothing else. Enum, platform enum, or enum and model. Prisma model different database tables, okay. Relationship while enum column to a specific predefined set of string values, okay. Enum data consists of specific fields, okay, okay, okay. So here, yeah, so this is a platform enum, okay. Roles, post status, pending schedule, okay, failed, okay, okay, okay. Platforms, yeah, roles and status, okay. Manager, owner, manager, and editor. Nah, we are changing the roles. What is the role? A sub uploader. A sub owner, sub owner, and editor. Yeah. And yeah, these are status draft. Yeah, we can make a draft. It will be pending, scheduled, okay. Processing, published, and failed, okay. Prisma models, user Prisma, yeah. Let's make the models. User. So this is the user model. Let's see. Wait a second. CUID, okay. Email is a unique name. Image, okay. Updated ad, okay. Created ad should be default, okay. Social account, roles, select roles, okay. Post, okay. I think this is a relationship account, social account. Inside social accounts, this is a schema, user ID, platform, account ID, account name, access token, refresh token, expires, okay, metadata, okay. Prisma models, post, yeah, this is the post model. Yeah, this is the account model, I think. Yeah, we can only choose, okay, platform, okay, okay. I got the point. And this is relation. By the way, what the hell is this? Oh, okay, okay, okay. Uh, Wait a second. I'm a bit confused here. Let me delete the unnecessary files first. Way too many unnecessary files. Oracle provide fee, okay? Okay. So inside Prisma, these are platforms, these are status, you know, and these are roles, okay? Analytics, no, no, sorry, not analytics. Post, I think. Yeah, these are post. And user schema, yeah. So user role, yeah. It is role type, right? I think this is wrong. Social accounts is social accounts, okay. Okay, I got it. I got no. Still, how can this be an error? I'm a bit confused here. Uh, Post. This is the post and publication. Yeah, this is the publication part. Status publication. Seriously, there's no status here. Future model analytics upload request. Okay, subscription. Okay, okay, okay. Full creative flow. Okay, and okay. Inside services. What is the services? We have analytics. We have the socials. What is the socials? Yeah. We have analytics. We have publishing. We have requests. Request. Delete the request part. We don't need it. We need socials. Okay. We need the publishing part and the analytics part for future, of course, not now. One more thing before writing any Prisma model, I would design the core enum. Okay. And relationship first. User social account. User post. Post publication. User role. Okay. three possibilities. User pay. Yeah, user is downloading from social platform. Let users download. Mm, It's only a view, and the cloud part. It's only view. Okay, download for platforms. Now repurpose IO. So let's how repurpose IO lets users download watermark free video in highest quality videos in highest quality and lets them re-upload it. Okay. YouTube allows downloading your own video. There are ways via authentication endpoints, but used to what methods repurpose I use for download. It was a method. I forgot it. API fetch instead of downloading the final public view of attach the direct CDN video URL through the API social platform encodes its logo into video. The official source. Okay. open source thing to thing or method. YTDLP. Okay, YTDLP for automation using Python. You shouldn't code from scratch, start build. Okay. Other open source for and Facebook. If you want command line tools that feels exactly like it but heavily optimized for image, okay. Image and video hosting sites is premier choice. It's an open source Python. For instance, specific install loader, it is an industry standard open source tool. I can maintain the install repository. Any all-in-one tool for it and is 4K videos from YTDLP and also download shorts. Ultimate the all-in-one tool. Even though it is originally created by YouTube, it navigates supports 100 plus websites including okay and Twitter. You do not need different tools. It prefers a clean graphic interface. Okay. It's not possible to directly download from from so apps in high quality. YT DLP. Yes, technically, you can use works extract media from platforms, web endpoints rather than using official API and download endpoints for use case. Okay, your DLP can offer YouTube, Instagram Reels videos at the best available quality. Architecture would be yeah. Okay, user clicks a download. Yeah, right. DLP is third party, not official integration. Platform behavior can change and occasionally break extraction. You should review the terms of each platform and get legal advice if you are building a commercial sales around downloading and republishing content. only if you have specific technical guidelines. Building an app that handles content distribution is perfectly legal. The legal trouble depending on how exists. Oh no, not piracy tool. That tool for content owners, not user A input, user B download video, which is this massive copyright and not allowed, illegal. Building an app that lets a user in, okay, you need to log in TikTok account and automatically cross their own videos on their own YouTube short channel. The user owns the copyright to the media, is granting you a permission to move it, okay. Is it not illegal? Allow the owner to download a no, it's not illegal, but it's massive violation of if you build a SaaS or a public app that uses YTDLP in backend to fetch videos, you are not going to come under copyright law. Since, however, you can break the contract rules of YouTube, the consequences for your app and business will be structural, commercial, rather than criminal. IPO, YouTube, Meta, Scan, automated server traffic. Then how is YTDLP doing it? Now is restricted letting users download. They're able to let the users download their videos legally and simply because they're completely avoid tools like or they force user authentication when the user signs repurpose IO. They do not just public video like uh, and and log directly into the TikTok. Okay, actor official. They the user explicitly tells the platform, I am a owner of this video I I give repos legal permission to access my files. Because of that handshake, repurpose IO communicates via official channels like TikTok and the social network gives repurpose special developer tool instead of sneaking into a website to scrape video path. Repurpose knocks on the front door, says instead of speaking into the website to scrape video path, Reapers are knocked to the front door and says, user X wants their video file. But social media does not even give the user owner high quality file. Not an official platform integration. For pure technical point, DLP is an industry standard open source tool for test execution and many social media management tools use similar approaches when they are there. repurposing tool, video download managers, content achieving platforms, data workflow tools, media backup service. Distinction technically possible not equal to allowed web platform terms. Possible download content only from accounts the user owns. Okay. So I think the downloading part, we need to remove the downloading part for now. Viewers, post viewers, and we'll work with post viewers and post, what do you say? Planner. Upload planner and yeah, upload planner. And upload planner for now. Logger. We also need a logger, right? So inside the libraries, uh, Prisma, Q, Redis, utils, and logger, of course. Yes. Okay. Okay. These are enums. Okay. These are publication. Okay. Publication status. So for now, we are facing some errors in the models. Uh, what the hell? The property URL no longer supports schema files. Okay. In a user error in publication Prisma. And in post. Red light in likely because the Prisma cannot resolve a reference type URL. Okay. Prisma in the Prisma project root. Let's see the Prisma scheduler. Okay. Control C. Control V. Let's validate the Prisma. What the hell is ask for commands? Okay, so here let's validate the Prisma. I'm facing some weird errors. Let me check. Is Prisma 7 the latest? You should have something like, okay, Prisma config. Where is Prisma config? Remove the URL line. Okay. Okay. So we are configuring Prisma from here. We are getting the URL from here. Now let's see. Valid. The red line in Cora most one of these Prisma VS Code extension hasn't refreshed. Control Shift P. Ah, then developer reload window. This fixes most of the time. Okay. You are using multi-file Prisma schema. When the CLI does example role, okay. Missing generate client and picks Prisma generate. I already have Prism, I think. And type reference not created yet. VS Code complaints about. Okay. Type, yeah, type can be the problem. Okay, guys, let's take a quick break. I'll be back in few minutes. Okay, so we are back again. So yeah, let's continue. By the way, let's initiate a git init. Okay, there's already a git. Git add. What is git ignore again? Node modules, yeah, and okay. What is the .env? Yeah, there's .env. Commit. Structured. I'm sweating a lot. Git commit, okay. Git push master. So let's push it. Let's see. Yeah. Okay, so we have made our first. I mean, first commit. What happened? So pushing the file doesn't count. Seriously. Why it's showing two commits, by the way? Okay, okay, okay. There was an initial commit for the next step. Okay, let's remove it. By the way, let's we can edit the profile picture. And then let's update the photo. I think this one is it. But okay, we'll edit it later. Okay. VS Code in right side. Okay. Yeah. Continue. Next one is to build the authentication. Okay. Connect YouTube, view videos and shorts, of course, and schedule upload. And also direct upload, of course. Yeah, I have generated a Prisma climb, I think. Okay. Node modules. Okay, it's okay. Let me check the node modules really quick. Okay, there's no duplication. Okay, so let's update the library of Prisma. Yeah, and also Redis, I think. Yeah, Redis is already created. Redis host, I've added Redis host, I think. Yeah, I've added the Reddit host, Redis host, test Redis. Yeah, Redis ping is working. Setup for Bull. Yeah, have I installed BullMQ? I think I have installed BullMQ. Installed again. Doesn't matter. And let's set up the queues inside the library. So yeah, it is already set up. And create a worker structure. Yeah, publish processor. Let me check the workers again. Yeah, publish analytics and notification. Yeah, and also queue. Let's check the publish processor and worker. Let's update the worker. So currently we are making one single worker for every process. Okay, I have installed this. I think install text worker script. Yeah, I have installed the worker script previously. Yeah, let's run the worker. Let's make another here. Yeah, let's run the worker here. And yeah, let's keep it clean. What? Worker script is missing. Maybe yeah, I haven't added the script. So let's open the script. Yeah, dev build start worker. Yeah, I have to add the worker script manually. ESLint listener. After this, yeah, we are adding a worker script. I have installed it, and let's run the worker now. Module not found. Seriously. Maybe the problem is in node version. Yeah, publish processor. Yeah, I have a publish processor. Uh, yeah, this is a publish processor, right? Control V. No, I will not make a default code. Require stack worker.ts, but it is there. So what's the problem? Yeah, we have a worker.ts processors. Let's check the exact name. Processors, pub. LSH PRO. Yeah. Let me check the yeah. It cannot find PRO CSSORS. Cannot find it. How? Yeah, it is exactly there. Cache module resolves, stop processing and run again. What's the problem, by the way? Common window mistake. ts.txt. No, it's in text. What's the problem, by the way? Workers. Let's see. Yeah, is the workers and the publish processor. Wait a second. Yeah, here. I'm getting a weird issue here. I don't know why. You pasted both files merged together. What? What do you mean by that? Yeah, here. It's the same thing. Let's see, tree workers maybe. You are giving me same code. What's the problem in keyboard? What's the problem? What? Your tree output shows but does not show any file. That means one of these. We're not actually inside worker, it is inside it. So what's the difference? What? What do you mean extra S? Processors? Seriously? Okay. Okay, my bad. There's extra S. Damn. Processors. I have written processors. That's the problem. And I have corrected it, but it's still showing the same thing. Why? Mm, okay. Let's check the library inside Redis, right? Requires max null for workers connection because workers are blocking Redis commands. Okay. Yeah. Is the worker started? Again, there's a error. Requires Redis. Let's check the Redis version. Let's close it. Let's check the Redis version. And command prompt Redis version 3 point. Yeah, I'm in 3 point version of the Redis. If it doesn't work, I will be using Docker. Okay. So the problem is mm, that we have a outdated Redis version for Windows. So I will be using Redis from now on. I mean, sorry, Docker from now on. It's a PowerShell command. Okay. So let's do it in VS Code. Running Redis. Okay. Should I use WSL, which is I think more complex? Come on. PowerShell, let's do PowerShell. Run as administrator and okay, Redis is stop now. Remove it, yeah. Uninstall, okay. The 7 is one command, okay, okay. And start Redis, okay. So we need Docker now. Okay, okay. So we will be using Docker now. So in PowerShell, okay. So it will be creator flow, right? Yeah. Creator flow Redis. What was the name? Creator flow Redis. Okay. Remember the name. Creator flow Redis. I think it will appear in Docker. Yeah. It's not added in the logs because I think we haven't run it yet. Docker PS. Creator flow Redis. So let's see. Yeah, creator flow Redis is running. You should write Ponk, right? Also the version, yeah. Yeah, 7.4. Okay. Now restart your worker. Okay, let's restart the worker. Let's clear it and where's the worker again? Okay, let's delete this and let's run the worker. Work started. Okay. Worker started. Prisma, Redis, BullMQ, worker process. Okay. Authentication. Yeah, I have Next.auth. And yeah, inside environment variable. Let's copy all this and localhost 3000. Okay. Google client ID and okay, client secret. Generate a secret. Okay. Okay. This will be. Can I name it? Rename worker. I think we can use this one. Yeah, we can use this one. Bash command. Let's remove this. Let's what? Let's. What's the problem? Yeah, yeah. So we got a secret, I think. So this is our secret. Okay. Okay. So here Google Client ID and Google Client secret. Okay. Let's see. Google Cloud Console. Yeah. Let's log in here. Let's start free. Yeah. Let's skip this account from now. For now. Uh. Save. Okay. We need to add it. Some street. City. Jamnagar. Pin code. Yeah. Uh. I don't remember the pin code. Maybe this. What? We need a. Before public launch, Google or may require OAuth verification. But why it's asking me verification? What's the problem? Don't tell me I need to payment verification. I want to do payment. Authenticated app is okay, I think. Yeah, let's authenticate via Google. Okay, I think it's authenticated. Verify. Okay, so it's authenticated now. Let's go back. Let's go back again. Yeah, but what the hell is this? Uh, so this is Google Cloud Console, right? Got it, got it. Select a project. Let's delete this project maybe. No, definitely not Gemini project. Let's make a new project. What? What is two-step verification? These things, I don't like these things. All these things are just wasting my time. I want to make a new project. What's the problem? Yeah. You have 9 remaining in your quota. Increase in, okay. Or delete project. Okay, we can delete project. So that's good. So if we increase the quota, we will delete project. Creator flow. Yeah. Same thing, right? Yeah. Okay. So let's select creator flow. Okay. Maybe API and services. Yeah. Okay. Credentials. Uh, let's create credential. Okay. What is it? OAuth client ID or API key? Okay, create API and services credentials, create auth key. Okay, web application. Okay, I got it. Yeah. So here to create client, you must configure your consent screen. What the hell is configure consent screen? Okay, and app name would be creative flow. This is the support email. Next. Oh, I will use it within the organization. No, external. Next. Contact info. What the hell? Let me confirm my email first. I really forgot my email. Let's close this. ITSWB here. Okay. What? What the hell? It's the baby here. At the gmail.com. Next. Agree. Continue. Create. Okay, so yeah, we have got a metrics we haven't configured. I have configured, I think. Yeah, let's create the OAuth client. Oh, web application, I think. Yeah. Yeah, one. Let's check. Redirect. This is the redirect URL. Localhost API auth, callback Google. Okay. Uh, okay, I have got this. Do I need JavaScript origin? Okay. Localhost 3000. Seriously. Add, okay. Yeah, sure. Sure, obviously. Why not? Now I need to delete this part from my video. What the hell happened, by the way? Hello, Tairwai. How are you? Have I explained my project to you? Before that, how are you feeling today? Yeah, I know, I know. I am setting up my, what do you say, private secrets. Wait a minute. I'm setting up my secret, client secret. By mistake, for few seconds, I have shown the credentials in my live stream, so I need to delete it manually. What a shame. Wait a minute, if another minute. By the way, how are you? How is your health? Have you recovered? Okay, I have edited it successfully. Now, I think now I can change it. Yeah. So I've added the credentials. Like the stream, Tyroi. By the way, Tyroi, have you recovered from your sickness? Still cough. Oh, yeah, I'm great. Have I explained you the startup that I'm working on right now? And before that, when are you streaming? You told that you will start streaming in what do you say, Twitch? Explain, yeah. So my project ID is something like that. For example, if a YouTuber or any content creator, if he wants to upload videos or maybe reels in multiple platforms, so he need to manually open multiple platform and need to upload the same video again and again. So what I did is I made a single application in which he can connect all his application, every ID, and after connection he can view his all his ID, and when he view he can also edit all the IDs, every description or caption or whatever he can edit it. And then he can also plan a upload planner. What upload planner will do is he can take a short, for example a short video, he can upload the same shot in YouTube, Instagram, Facebook or Twitter, maybe for foreign users. He can upload in every platform using our single application. And we are adding another feature, the request upload, in which if somebody has a editor and that person is really busy or he's traveling, suppose, so we should not delay the upload, right? So he can give the access of upload to the editor or the manager, so that the other person who can upload video in his account. So these are the core features. Basically, in one application you can upload in every social media platform, as well as you can also grant access to the editor or the manager, and he can also upload in your absence. So the uploading hassle becomes easier even if you are busy. And I will also include analytics of every application inside one application, so you don't need to open YouTube dashboard, YouTube studio, Instagram dashboard. Yeah, I love these features. Yeah, thanks. And after adding all this, like after making the code mechanics, I will also add AI powered analytics. So that means if the person is editing the description or maybe writing the title or selecting a thumbnail, anything, if the person is doing anything, the AI will suggest him that what's the problem and what he can add, so that the SEO or the click through rate of the video will improve. And also AI will read the analytics and also give him information of what his audience is about and how he should interact with his audience. This is like future plan. Of course, I will not do this now. AI integration is future. Right now, I am only building the core feature, the viewer editor, the upload planner, and the upload requester. That means somebody else can also upload in your account if you give them permission. So what I assume is this application may help many lazy YouTubers or maybe busy YouTubers or maybe traveling YouTubers, so that YouTubers don't need to manually download the video or check everything. He can just give the responsibility to his trusted ones. In this application, by the way, if the user gives the access to somebody else, so if the person knows how to code, he might try to get the API and he can completely get access of the user's channel. So we need to make it secure so that the user no, I mean the editor can only get access of the what do you say, upload section. We need to make it secure, the API gateway completely secure, so that nobody else can hack or maybe crack the API. So this may be a challenge, but I think YouTube is pretty secure. If I don't give an extra gateway, YouTube might not allow it. I'm starting with YouTube, by the way. Later, I will integrate all the other social media applications. So I've added Gmail authentication for now. Yeah, I have installed the authentication src auth.ts. Seriously, what the hell is src? Yeah, my software name is, for now, it's Creator Flow. I have also documented every feature inside my note making application. By the way, do you use any note making application? I use Obsidian. I have planned everything. These are the APIs I'm going to use: YouTube Data API and Metagraph for accessing the account. And these are the, yeah, this is owner and sub uploader, or you can say sub owner maybe. The owner can like add his account and also add other uploaders, and the sub uploader will only upload. He cannot do anything else. Notepad, yeah, Notepad. I also use Notepad. I mean, I used to use Notepad when I didn't know about any kind of software, but right now I'm really loving this application. This is Markdown. Markdown means this is future proof. That means every block or every drawing you are seeing, every table you are seeing, this will appear in any kind of Markdown viewer. This is not like table. This is not Excel. This is just a text. Can I show this? Wait a minute. Wait, Control Z, Control Y. If I try to, wait a second, how to copy? Right now I cannot do it. I don't know why. Maybe due to the features, it's not allowing me to do it. So all the lines or other tables or everything you are seeing, these are not Excel or anything else. These are text, plain text. Tyler, will you suggest any more features or any improvements? Here's the code. Here's the flow. So right now I'm adding Google authentication. User can log in with Google ID. So yeah, this is the authentication, right? App, okay. Authentication, no, I will not add authentication. BRB dinner करके, okay, bro. I'm streaming till 9, I think. Putting auth in the root work, but production says architecture would keep authentication inside dedicated module. Okay. So inside library, let's make an authentication module. Yeah, this makes more sense. What the hell? Wait a second. Making an authentication folder, and inside it I am adding multiple authentication files. First is auth.ts, then auth.config.ts, permissions.ts. By the way, I want to check one thing. Okay. Okay, permission.ts, yeah. Auth.ts, okay. App API. So inside the app, I'm making API, okay. Yeah, I'm making an API here. And inside the auth, what the hell is this? API auth. Okay, it's a folder. So we are making another folder inside the authentication and name it Next.auth. This is such a weird name. And previously the name was yeah, it's same route.ts. Inside it we have route.ts. Okay. page. Okay. uh, we should have a dashboard and authentication. Okay, so inside the app, let's make folder. Yeah, dashboard, and inside app again, let's make authentication folder. So here inside app again, let's make a authentication folder, and inside it we have login and register folder. Login, inside auth, register. And inside the library we have auth ts, permissions, auth config, roles and sessions. What the hell is roles, by the way? Yeah, roles. I can remember the roles. And session. You have roles and session. And also we have Prisma, Logger, Redis, everything. Yeah. And queues, of course, for BullMQ. And inside services, we just services again. Yeah, above, I think. Now below. Yeah, we have a social. Yeah, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram services. Okay. Publishing and analytics. Okay. And in workers, where is the workers? Yeah, we have processors and queues and the main worker here, and we have Prisma. Okay, public and asset. We have assets. We have assets and UI components. Yeah, we also have UI components and docs. Contains provided auth configuration. Okay. Sign out. Okay. Before writing, okay. Next dot. Let's see the next auth. Okay. Beta. Wait a second. Uninstall. Yeah. We will first need to uninstall it. Yeah. And then install the beta version. Yeah, now let's see the version after installing it. In Next.js, it's not showing me the percentage or anything like what is happening. We are using the beta version now. Seriously? Install Prisma adapter. Yeah. So let's install the Prisma adapter and create the authentication flow. Authentication, auth roles, permission, and session. Okay. By the way, in roles, sub owner, or you can say uploader, and owner, uploader, and maybe requester. We can make requester or something like that. Owner is uploader himself. You can appoint a uploader and requester. So we can ignore the requester for now, but let's not ignore it because in future you may need it, or we can change it. Yeah, owner and uploader for now. So auth configuration. Yeah, let's open the auth configuration. Let's close the workers, library, auth configuration, and auth authentication.ts. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I have this inside my API app API. Okay, we are adding the routes here. Routes, yeah. This is the routes. Get or post handlers. Okay, roles. What the hell is export enum? Permission. Where is the permission? Yeah, here's the permission. Owner or not manager, of course. Uh, uploader. Yeah, owner or uploader. Yeah, where the hell is roles? Yeah, roles is empty. Let's keep owner and uploader for now. Yeah, owner and uploader. Permission. Okay. Helper. What is session helper? Sessions. Okay, okay. The two roles should be owner and let me correct you. I only have two roles for now, owner and uploader. Okay. Where is the Prisma schema again? Yeah, this is the Prisma schema. And this is the only two roles for now. What are the two roles again? Owner and previously. Uploader, you can always add more roles later without changing the architecture. Before or just with Prisma first. Your current schema only contains this is not or just for Prisma adapter, okay? User account, session, and verification token, okay? Question is tell me where to add the I have enums migrations. Um, yeah. So let's confirm this again. Yeah, user account. I don't have account. Social account. Yeah, I have social account. Now this is different. I think I have the session. Okay, user Prisma. Okay, email verified. Okay. Okay. So this is the new user model. I think I need to keep a log of every file structure so that uh, I have the context because there is so many structures. Do anybody know how to do any better IDE or code editor for this Next.js? So this is really confusing here. So yeah, this is the user. Okay. So that is it for today. For tomorrow, I will be making some other changes in my Prisma. I mean, sorry, in my database. I will be completing all the authentication as well as API working, especially in YouTube because YouTube has the smoothest workflow. And for Instagram and Facebook, the workflow might be a bit hassle. So, bye bye, guys.